Hello. How are you? Bye, my love. Uthanda intwana zami okanye ujelasaye uthanda ugibs ngiyabona imudi mawuchayisa Friday uthanda ukharamela okanye uthanda it doesn't really hurt but uthanda intwana zami okanye ujelasaye sokuba ngibhekile njalo emakhamereni lalela ne sound like clocking out ayishaka bi so kazi kuzama put a ball tikudala emile kazi bu afternoon and if you move like a duck baby I won't judge give me a kiss and a hug dala but you must away. Hello. I'm good. Thank you.
In 1.5 kilometers, turn left on Rampentyne Road.
Sinazibona into engaboni bangani bami. Come on the phone.
Let's take Lister Road, Main Reef Road, R28, Rampentyne. In 200 meters, turn right on Main Reef Road.
Yo driver namhlanje ngaze ngidle ngilambile. Yo ngiyahlupheka mina. Bengiyovolunteer nalapha manje bengithi noma bazonginika u10 lutho. Akusinhlupheko le. Noma mangathola indoda ezongondla maybe inkinga zami zingehla. Manje namadoda wayigeni indaba yami.
Ngapha ni.
Iyangena ngapha ngoba sewuzongena ngapha. You can use that way.
Lale yaphuma.
Yeah. This one is shorter. Singasebenzisa. But inama potholes.
Baleka ama potholes. Samadoda enza nawo njani?
Awayengeni indaba yami shem.
In 700
Balala nami bese beyangishiya.
then turn right on Main Reef Road.
Ngibancishe.
Yelani wena?
Angithi ngicabanga ukuthi maybe bazongiphi imali. Bese bengangiphi bona imali. Bese belalile nami nje bese beyangishiya kanjalo.
Imali phambili batshele kanjani?
Bazobona ngathi ngiyadayisa.
Ungcono. I like bakuyuze.
Bazobona ngathi ngiyadayisa.
I like bakuyuze.
Abanginyuzi.
Benzani?
Basuke bengithanda ikinga mina ngisuke ngilokhu nje. Ngifuna imali bese bethi bona mina ngili gold digger.
Why demand too much?
Hawu ngifuna noma 50 rand.
Yocela.
Masiqede bese ngisicenga 50 rand.
Wena uyathengisa.
Nangithengisa. Manje mbuzi ngizokwenza amasesendlini ne.
Oh, you with your man now?
Ngikwi-Bolt on my way home.
So Bolt with me.
Ngifuse kwena.
How? Bolt with me, so I know you are safe.
Okay, let's bolt together. I don't know why lokho nje hlezi ngilahla la.
Thank you for having me, Machi.
And every day and
Crazy tappers there.
kuthi nginetha kanjani.
And the second house?
The maroon one.
The Mjondolo. The one with no roof.
Everybody
dance now.
Khona la Abantwana bonke bayakufuna drive. Cela amanamba.
Thank you so much for the tips, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Awufuna mina futhi manje driver. Ngiyabuya manje ne.
Thank you. Power.
No, ngenza stop nje.
Look at taps though. You'll catch me just with taps.
Askisi.
It's got crazy tappers.
Guys, it's time 3. Hawu sesidliwa umbuzi ke manje.
I need somebody who will meet me at the spot.
And if you move like a duck, baby, I won't judge. Give me a kiss and a hug, tell her what you must. Awe. Ngitsingamba nawe. Awe. My baby. And if you move like a duck, baby, I want. Oh my love, oh my love, oh my love. How are you, baby? What's up? Ariel, come on. Ariel, yo te mama wa uruta mahali nani.
Ulo isa come on.
Ke batlo fixa card ya ka go Capitec. Ya go FNB. A ke tlore ke mangwe block. Mara, na le motho ba tlo so it block you. Guys, Rose is the same gift. Oh, akusangola nganje. Jesus. And in front of she qatlo njengoba 19 years stop. Baby.
Thank you, Trucker. Thank you, Shana, guys. One more rose from someone. One more rose, guys. Someone. So, hey. How are you, Mr. Trucker? How are you, sir? Thank you so much. I don't think there's anyone that can help us. I'm good, and you, Shana? How are you, Gene? How are you, sir? Thank you for the likes, everybody. Thank you so much.
I forgot.
Then did they let you
Huh?
I know there's somebody.
Thank
you for the likes,
Did they let you come in? Like, did you explain?
No,
Trucker, how are you? How are you?
Everyone,
I'm okay. How's the power?
no, I want Abena to speak up.
Level 17, Trucker.
Masingata ngwabona ukuthi wawebekazi.
What up, man?
Pouch next so with this.
Oh, my phone's gonna heat. Oh no. Trucker, thank you so much,
Let's go,
Maji.
my love.
I'm thinking hot.
Twirl into a lip.
You're putting a glove, guys.
My girl. Guys, there's a glove on a glove, guys. Ushekina.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
They're gonna put nothing on that glove.
And your function. So,
It's a Malay.
You're gonna do nothing on that glove.
uzobuya manje. Ngiyolungisa
Akakathi lokudla lomuntu.
so the mall.
Wena ukathathila.
Lo akacha na ko funda nje.
Kitamaliana, how you
Because if you move like a dog, baby, I won't
FNB account.
Trucker.
Kiamolo. Rito bona.
Trucker, my G.
Mama go pompa.
Trucker, are you still blocked? Or not blocked anymore?
Uskazi jane. Yo, kilokele lokha konhlungu. Ke. Ngibuya khona nje ngisaqona nesikipa sesini. Guys, let's play together. Ningani? Hayibo, where did they put it? Where's my
You can't win, my girl.
It's next to them. Guys, let's all tap the screen. Bambuzi, can you please play when I come back now? Now I'm going to the mall. I'm safe, man. Ne.
Thank.
Ikizobuya like 1 o'clock I'll be back. I'm using Bolt.
Okay, beat me
I'm sure
first.
they won't help me FNP because I don't have ID. I don't know. I lost my ID, so like I'm
FNB
just
can't
going
help
back
you
to
like
them,
I help you.
Huh? They won't help me
Nice,
without
nice.
ID. So I'm trying my luck.
Trucker.
Yo, excuse drive. Uyabona ke drive na ingane yethu. Sekuyingane yethu ke le since from today. Yazana.
Serious?
Sese
Wala ngamanamba akho.
Mele uqala uthengele umntwana ukudla bese sizobona ukuthi amanamba ngiyakupha.
100 meters.
Oh, kanti
Turn
belithenga
right
ithando.
on 14th.
Siyalithenga ithando phela ngokusiyo.
Namanamba mahalo uzongifonela uthatha isikhathi amahalo ungitexte ku WhatsApp ngedatha lami ungitexta ngireceive ngedatha lami ngisenda ngedatha lami ngebattery lami icharger yami ngiphume ngiye ku Wi-Fi energy yami uyabo. You must show ukuthi you really need it. So uzoyithengela in ubaba wakho omusha uzokuthengela McDonald's yes.
Yebo.
On 12th Street.
Ubaba omusha,
Then
yebo.
turn right on Village Street.
Amthibelile.
Angimthibeli lihlo. Usekuyingane yakho ke leyo yes. Namhlanje sizoza sohlala nawe. Masiqedile ukusebenza uyasilanda yes.
Turn left on 12th Street.
Ngaze ngajabula shem sengiyajola.
On Village Street.
Nganami wegcokama ngo half past 1. Yeah, village. 1:30 ne gcokama.
Shabab Sanchez.
Manje sizothenga kuphi babakhe? Ufuna ini? Ufuna ukudla ini ubaba wakho? Usuthi
Turn right on Village
Amzwa.
Usuthi shop
Uthala kudla kwe-stranger.
u10. Angizofuna sidla ini namhlanje?
Angidawuni.
McDonald's.
iMcDonald's.
McDonald's ayikhona.
Inandos.
Ambani shopping nizabuya uzonibani.
Nasiye shopping. Sihamba nawe siyodla.
Nangiyosebenza mse.
Okay, gcokama shop.
Like so I can get money.
You can just give us money. Le khona. Unamalini nababakhe?
Mina kungisebenza ngamakhadi. Awona na ubhadale ngekhadi.
Isekhadini imali yethu ki-transfer yeke.
Isekhadi iyongena ku-Bolt angengiphi. Izopay out abande.
Ipho isebenza izolo.
Singene ebhenki.
Izodla nipho ingane yethu ilambile mos.
Singasebenza ngenza ama-trip ayi-23 hayi. Maybe zanginika cash.
Ungasebenzi. Asameni senandosi. Asameni senandosi. Ifamily of uzoclean.
Yeah?
Uzoclean.
Ngiyidlala igame. Ucleaner.
Uzobatsha bekunika imobo. Mara umntana uzokuthanda kanjani if ubalisa so first day. Uzothi yo umama uzohamba uqhela baba wakho uthi yo umama.
Baba omusha. Baba omusha.
And lo baba wakho akafune ukukhipha lutho.
Hayi, mina understand.
Uba kumele understand.
Ingane.
Zisuka nje ngani siya understand kodwa baba wakhe.
Yesterday urekile backup.
Uthana wakhuluma izulu mntwana wakho umsitwana.
Papa hayi kimsuthu.
Umsuthu.
Yabo ufuna ungihlekisa ngamasuthu nje. Unamalini manje pho? Oyiphethe cash. Noma nje sesingathola amagoslozi yosafa endlala nengane. Sina 7 days ngombe singadli. How many days? Is it 7 or 6?
7.
Yeah, it's 7 days.
No, sayita no mama. Sayita no mama hawlweni.
Turn left.
Unajera thuko emali mazulu. Unajera thuko.
Manje se-FNB sifuna ukuthatha i-loan showcase bazozidecline sazi noma bazovuma. Simele uyavuma ukuthi ngothatha i-loan ukhona?
Ngothatha isikolo December.
Hayi ngeke ngiyaxolisa bhuti osesibo bongana.
Badala January.
Bhuti cela ungehlisa kule entrance
Arrived
lezansi.
at your destination.
Please some brief. Tanele bewungishiyele nizolo. Can you please tell me ukuthi izolo besibangini mangidlala bangidla ukhona. Donuts na puff.
Marathon wena ngwana we.
Tshwanelina ke re le tšhelete a ntshwanela umfiona. Everything a ngithwanele komhlabeng o.
Ngitshwe bathaba bandaba. Obakuba mse. Bona bakuba mse. Ayibona. I see why now.
On yellow bone man.
Ulile yellow bone utshwana le papa.
Okay papa.
Umsebenzi.
Udula wena. Bona show mama please. Wamusha.
Ngidulale.
Okay.
Uyangivakashela mara uhlala nobaba wakhe ngoba mayihleli nami uyafa endlala. So ngithi hambe uhlala nobaba wakhe.
Udula ke papa. Dula kae le papa?
Teng koko home league.
Ayiki. Le mama ke.
Ai, wena papa wa go dira kae?
Ayiki na. Wala go ratela nnete.
Mfe tšhelete if mretela
Go
nete.
ratela nnete ka mo kisetsa yona ska go.
Why e
Katheko.
A re tshwara gona no.
Elene ngako awu cha kodwa ukhephethe kanti wabanjani abantu bakhe khephethe.
Tshenta ba.
Driver ke khupela o sang accept next time if ke request ane if u bona request ya ka
Ke bona jwang kwena?
o ska accept
Ke bona jwang kwena?
a ke sa o batle.
Gantona wa ke di bolt
It's
driver
over. It's over between us.
Ai.
This business is over ne. Ne.
It's welcome.
Cela usivulele icapha bye. Cela uvulele icapha.
It's welcome.
Phuma nga.
Ayiki.
Ungashayisa imoto. Bye driver. Sharp sharp. Ah? Ngenzeni? Oh. Oh, ngibancise. Ngizobancisa. All right. Akuna khona. Yo, ikhona akusagcwelanga sisi.